Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch sauce from scratch. To begin, you will need some essential ingredients. Start with 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream for that rich, creamy base. Then, add 1/2 cup of buttermilk to achieve the perfect pourable consistency. Fresh herbs like parsley, chives, and dill are absolutely key for an authentic, vibrant flavor. Now, let's talk about seasoning to truly elevate your ranch. You'll want to add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for a savory foundation. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to balance everything out. For a bright, zesty kick, include 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. These simple additions make a huge difference. Once you have all your wonderful ingredients ready, it's time to bring them together. Pour everything into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Grab a whisk and gently combine until the sauce is completely smooth and all the herbs and spices are evenly distributed. This step is crucial for a consistent texture. Then, cover and refrigerate your ranch for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to truly meld and deepen. Your incredible homemade ranch is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile sauce is perfect for drizzling over fresh salads, dipping your favorite vegetables, or even as a delicious spread on sandwiches. To keep it fresh, transfer any leftovers into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious ranch will remain flavorful for up to 1 week, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.